ko.
Hi
So,
guys!
ayan guys. Samahan niyo ako magsuklay. Magpone. Ayan. So, ito yung paponihan ko.
Hoy, ayun. May papone.
Ayun.
Lang!
Ayan guys. So, first, igaganto niyo siya. And second, gantuin niyo siya. Wait lang. Ayan. Pagkaganyan nyo, ito ay gagantuhin nyo. Sobrang tindi. Ayan po. Then, pagkatapos nyan, it's very simple. It's very simple pone. Ayan guys.
At hindi ko pala na i-gagaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Pinaikot ko lang.
Taram! Una!
Wait lang.
Ito. Guys.
Ayan guys. So, ayan. Naging kulot ng konti. Kasi, wait lang. Isa pa.
Lang! Wala na, i-gagaw ko na! L-O-V-E, love the way you give it to me when you're with me. Boy, I want it every day. L-O-V-E, love the way you give it to me when you're today. Last night I laid in bed so blue, 'cause I realized the truth. Making love me like you, I tried to find somebody new. Baby, love me like you. Last night I lay in bed so blue. You could feel that you see. Ate, pag ba?
Yeah. Jehovah.
Wala ka na. Aray! Aray naman ate, nabunutan mo ako. Ay, papa.
Parang lang.
Ito. Kaya gamitin mo muna yun.
Yan guys. And let me see na. Joe. Yan guys. So, papapestutin lang natin. Takatakatunyi, pagkapagkachuchi, dapat kubupsi. Takatakatunyi. I think it's very good. What I'm doing today I know to this strong butterfly. I hope, but now can you see? Just me. Let's go, I can find last one. Oh, sorry.
At lalo ba akong pumagi?
Yep.
Yes, pogi ka. Ay, ginilawa.
Okay, let's make our scene. Char. Our makeup.
Yes, nalibok ka. Yes, you're so pogi. Yes.
Ouch. Mal. Okay, why is that?
Nanonood ako. So, ayun lang. So, bye-bye.
That's so cute.
Diba?
Bye-bye.
Ayan.